Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing the Disney Plus error code 83. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. We've got a step-by-step guide that will help you fix this issue for good. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check device compatibility. First, ensure that your device is compatible with Disney Plus. The app supports a range of devices, but not all older devices or platforms may support it. Check the official Disney Plus website for a list of supported devices. Step 2. Update the Disney Plus app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Disney Plus app. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. If an update is present, install it and try launching Disney Plus again. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve issues. Turn off your device completely and then turn it back on. Once restarted, open the Disney Plus app to see if the error persists. Step 4. Clear cache and data for mobile devices. If you are using a mobile device, clearing the app cache and data can help. Go to your device's settings, find the Disney Plus app, and select the option to clear cache and data. Reopen the app after this step. Step 5. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for streaming on Disney Plus. Make sure your Wi-Fi or data connection is strong. You can also try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Step 6. Log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out of your account can resolve minor glitches. Open the Disney Plus app, go to the profile section, and log out. After a few moments, log back in and check if the error code has disappeared. Step 7. Reinstall the app. If the problem continues, try uninstalling the Disney Plus app and then reinstalling it. After reinstalling, log in and see if the issue has been resolved. Step 8. Contact Disney Plus support. If none of these steps work, it may be time to contact Disney Plus support directly. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or advice tailored to your issue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tricks.